Hello guys, welcome. I've got you a very nice product today. It's a TWS, mini TWS, and I've just tested the qualities. The sound quality is amazing. As I promised that I will only show you the products that I satisfy and test it myself. If I like the quality, if I testify the quality, if I feel that this is the product that you can make profit with, I would bring you only then. So now let me just show you the products. They're right here behind me. The stock is right here, and I've just opened one carton and I already tested one. So let me just show it to you. Okay, so the goods are right here. It's about 1,200 something, and we got about 100 in each carton, and I will just unbox one for you. Alright, so this is the packaging. This is how it looks. It comes in two colors, transparent white and black. Okay, so let's just unbox one of them. The earlier one that I just opened was from this carton right here. Okay, so this is the carton I just opened, and I haven't opened anything yet. I will just see and unbox it in front of you. It's a compact small packaging box, and this is the user guide, G Power, the brand G Power. Welcome back guys. My internet got disconnected because I'm in the warehouse, and sometimes the signals are not smooth enough. Alright guys, so there we go. This is the charging box. It is not something that I opened before. It is everything live in front of you. There you go. Everyone has power. And it has got Jerry chipset. And the quality is amazing. I will later put these pictures as well. It is originally manufactured for a Korean company. It has got 50 mAh battery in each earbud, and I just tested the sound quality, and it's amazing. In this price, I would say that it's perfect. I really love the sound quality. Okay guys, so this is the user guide. G Power is manufactured for a Korean company. And alright, so we got about 1,200 something in stock, and I will post the price as well. Good quality stuff. It has got type C charging cable. So guys, this is the product, the user guide, ear caps, type C charging cable, and the goods are right here. I will post the pictures, detailed pictures, and prices as well. If you're interested, let me know. Thank you. Goodbye.